Samastiti. Every asana start with Samastiti and end with Samastiti. Now we are doing Surya Namaskara, Vedic Surya Namaskara 9 steps. This is Samastiti. Inhale, Namaskar position. Now exhale, forward bend. Now inhale up head. Now slowly keep right leg back and left leg back. Next, slowly lay down. Now inhale up head, Bhujangasana. Now exhale. This is Parvatasana. Now jump. Inhale up head. Now exhale. Inhale up head. Now close hands together. Inhale up. Samastiti. Exhale. Now we are practicing Pasvakonasana. Keep right leg, 1.5 leg. Inhale. Keep hands like this. And turn right foot this side and turn body also this side. And bend right knee with 90 degrees. Keep right hand beside right foot. Now left hand keep like this. Upside. Now see the left palm. Take in this asana breathing. This is asana position. Take breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale up. Turn right foot this side and turn left foot. Now turn body this side. Now bend left knee. Keep left palm beside left foot. Keep right hand front. See the right palm. This is asana position. Take breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Now Samastiti. One more time we are practicing this one. Pasvakonasana. Take 1.5 leg gap. Turn this side. Now turn right foot. Turn body right side. Bend right knee. Keep right hand beside right foot. Now left hand keep front. This is asana position. Take breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Turn right foot this side and turn left side. Left foot. Turn body left side and bend left knee 90 degrees. Keep left hand beside left foot. Now right hand up. See right palm. This is asana position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now inhale up. Now Samastiti. Now we are doing Prasarita Padottanasana. Okay. This asana also take 1.5 leg gap. Inhale. Take 1.5 leg gap. Now keep your hands hip and keep your hands to flow. Now inhale up head. Now slowly keep your head to floor. This is asana position. Now take breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly inhale up head. Now slowly close together legs. Now keep your hands hip. Now come to Samastiti. One more time we are doing this asana. Prasarita Padottanasana. Take 1.5 leg gap. Inhale. Take 1.5 leg gap. Keep your hands to hip. Now slowly exhale. Keep your hands to floor. Now inhale up head. Now exhale. Keep your head to floor. This is asana position. Take the breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up head. Slowly close your legs together. Little bit and keep your hands hip and come to Samasthiti. This is Prasarita Padottanasana. Now we are doing Ardha Chandrasana. Take 1 foot gap, 1 foot. Lift right hand side, lift left hand up. Push your head front, slowly right side bend, see opposite side. This is asana position. Stretch left hand, stretch. Keep right hand like this and take breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Opposite side. Keep left hand side, right hand up. Now push hip front, slowly left side bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Samasthiti. One more time we are doing this one. Take 1 foot gap. Right hand side, left hand up. Push hip front. Slowly exhale, right side bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Opposite side. Push hip front. Exhale, left side bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale up. Samasthiti.